All right, today we're going to do a little bit of meal prep. I've got some flat iron steaks we're going to slice up, and I've got this right here, a chuck eye steak. We're going to make some steak burgers all by using this. So this is the Once for All meat slicer. They sent me this to check it out, and when I saw it, I was like, heck yeah, I would like to go ahead and give a review for this. So I appreciate them sending it out, and we're going to go ahead and look inside of it, set it up, and just show you what it's all about. It's a nice little meat slicer. So right here's the base of it, and it says don't hold the base. We'll just go ahead and remove that flat spot, and let me turn it this way so you can see. Right there, you've got this little device. Pull that up in here. So this is the like the blades right here. Tells you which side is up. That'll come apart. So this will be 4mm size, and then if you want to cut it smaller, just like that, and then it'll cut all the, don't want to touch that, that's pretty sharp. Then it comes with some other cool stuff here. Got a couple of little brushes so you can brush it. Comes with your little handy manual right here. So a little instruction manual shows you everything you can do. You can do slice. You can also go ahead and do strips, and then you can even do ground. And this is the Once for All other piece. So just go ahead and first you'll want to not have that on yet, but we're going to go ahead and slide this right in. Then just go ahead and tighten that up. All right, so I got some of that iron steak in here. We're just going to slice some up and prep it. And we're just going to go down and back and forth. Look at it right there. Look at that nice little slices going. This is the 2mm one in here in a minute, all the way down, and then pull it up and take a look at that. Great for some, I was thinking it's going to be great for some Philly cheesesteak or carne asada. So we'll freeze this and then thaw it out later and use that. So that looks really, really good. I've got another one here. We're going to put it right there. And this time you can lift this thing up.
You gotta push
that button. Push that button in. Lift that up. And these are extremely sharp. And now you've got 4mm sizes. So we're going to see how this does. We'll take this and set it aside. Be a little thicker slices if that's what you're going for. We're going to put it right in there. That goes through, wow, that goes through a lot easier than the 2mm slices. That almost goes through like butter on that. Pick that up. Now let's take a look at that. What do you think of those sizes?
Looks good.
Beef jerky, calling you. That right there would be great, little beef jerky slices. Carne asada, great for fajitas or something. All right, now I've got some, this is some chuck eye steak, and we're going to make a smash burger. So this is a full piece right here. I'm going to put that in there. We're using the 4mm side, and we're just going to go ahead and go right through it. Like that. I'm just going to bring it up, and we're just going to turn it a little bit. Well, actually, I need to put it in there. Put it in there. Let's go ahead and throw that with it. Watch the blades, and we're going to go down again. Look at that. Bring it on up, and then we'll go ahead and turn it in like this. Let's go down one more time.
It's like ground steak.
Yeah, ground up steak.
Wow.
And there we go. Look at that.
Looks good.
Look at that smash burger. Here we go. So this was a actual steak. Look at that. We're going to go ahead and throw this right on here. This has been preheating at 300 degrees.
You don't have to put oil in here?
Nope, we're just going to throw it right on here. Just like that. We're just going to press straight down. I think. Look at that. Oh my. The chuck eye steak should have some good fat. And let's add some, got some Boar's Night Owl seasoning here. Throw that right on there. While that cooks, I'll go ahead and do another one. And this is why you gotta make sure you get the right side up. Also make sure that thing's all the way up. And then we just go down. This is what I really wanted this for, was smash burgers, because we can now do smash steak burgers. Simply put it in there.
I do a chicken burger. Huh?
You could do chicken, you could do pork, whatever you want.
Chicken.
You just basically are dicing this. Is that not amazing? Come on now. Is that not just incredible?
How's it taste?
That's good. So yeah, that's a great product to take your meats, cut them up. I'll be using this in some future videos for sure. Great way to prep or just cut your stuff up. And then cleaning, real simple. You can just use some soap. I actually have some here. And it actually came with these brushes like this. So if you have any meat or anything, you can move that around. But actually, pop this out first. You press that button, remove that, and then you see how you have grooves all the way down. So you can then just take that brush all the way down, removing everything in both of these. Remember, this is sharp, so just be careful. And you just take it down like that. And you can either place these in the dishwasher or just wash them.
I put that in the dishwasher. Dishwasher.
You say put it in the dishwasher?
Yeah.
Just like that.
Hold that shut.
And then this thing right here.
Is that dishwasher safe too?
Yes. It actually got a little meat in there, but you can just go ahead and rinse this out. And then when you have this thing down, you can just push that right out and you get the bottom there. You just place it right. I just place it right there in my dishwasher. So that's pretty much it. Once the dishwasher completes it, you'll want to keep this thing. Once it's dry, keep it in this. That'll keep it protected and safe. Really do.
I said, and it won't cut you.
And yeah, and it won't cut you because that's got that little protective coating or covering over it. So when you put it in a drawer or something, you definitely want that because they are sharp. What do you think?
I thought it was smooth. Like, at first I was doing it wrong.
Yeah, it'll take a couple tries, and you got the 2 millimeter, the 4 millimeter sizes.
But once you get a hang of it, it's good.
We'll be showing it again, I'm sure, in a video. I think we're going to do some chicken later on.
Yeah.
So you get to see it in there as well. I do thank Once for All and for this company for sending this to us and able to show it to you guys. And if anybody is interested in it, there will be a link. You can find it on Amazon. You should be able to look it up. It's Once for All. Excellent product, I think. Love it for the smash burgers. That was my main thing for it. Of course, it's going to be great for Carne asada and Philly cheesesteaks. That's my other thing I'm looking at. So, outstanding product and easy to clean, dishwasher safe. What else can you ask for?
Love the dishwasher.
I love the dishwasher safe. Absolutely. All right. We'll see you in the next one. We're going to be doing some chicken with it in the future. So stay tuned for that.